And welcome back to the Spirited Shop. I am the Spirited Maker. And today I'm going to try version 2.0 of the bandsaw Reindeer. This time I created a pattern first instead of just freehanding it. And I got the front view, side view. So I'm going to speed this up, cut it out, and we'll see how this one turns out. So again, using a little pattern I made from wood, so I can, if it turns out good, I can do this over and over consistently. So I'm gonna speed this part up because it's gonna take a while, but I'll bring you back for the results prior to sanding and then see what it looks like sanded. So I already marked it out on this piece of 2x4. Front, side, gotta cut the front first, then lay it over and do the side. See how it turns out. Here we go. Time lapse. Or time speed up, whatever. So what I'm going to do now is redraw it on this side, and then we'll cut it sideways here. So give me a minute. I'm going to cut the video here so I know where the timestamp is, and then I'll bring you back for the second cut. All right, here we go with side 2. Going to speed this up as well. Here we go. And there we have the rough cut shape of the deer. Now I'm going to refine it and sand it a little, and then we'll come back and see how it looks and compare it to the original one. I think this one comes out looking a whole lot better. So give me a minute to do a little shaping and sanding, and I'll be right back. All right, I've moved back over to my normal sitting spot here. This was the first bandsaw reindeer I did. He's okay. But check out the new one. I think he looks a whole lot better. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I think this will be the type of bandsaw reindeer I'll make and probably sell it. Little craft show type thing. It's not 100% sanded fine yet, but I may leave some rustic and do a finer sand on some of them and stain them, and yeah, we'll experiment, see what comes out looking the best. But as for bandsaw and reindeer methods, so far, try 2 is a whole lot better looking to me than try 1. So, with that, I may try one other reindeer type, but I'm really liking this one. I don't know how I can top it on looks. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. We'll try one more time and then pick the best reindeer to move forward with. Anyway, I appreciate you stopping by to watch this video and coming along for the ride. I hope that you consider subscribing. And now that the weather's getting a little cooler, I'll try to put a lot more videos out. It's just been too brutal here. So, but now that the weather's starting to change, I am able to do more in the shop now. So, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And as always, guys, God bless.